Hi guys, today we have with us Sakshi, and Sakshi, we want to know about your beautiful story, how you made a comeback with CAT 69 percentile to Times Group media house, where because she wanted to go into this area since long time. Where are you basically from?
I'm from Mumbai.
मुंबई, हाँ तभी ये मुंबई वालों को इतना मीडिया का ज़्यादा ड्रीम होता है तो so yeah, she got through that and met 235 and then gave IB set as well. So we'll go through this journey because अभी कैट का एग्ज़ाम हुआ एंड एवरीबडी इज फीलिंग डाउन एंड डिमोटिवेटेड कि कुछ नहीं होगा, ये होगा, वो होगा. सो फ्रॉम इन दैट केस माई फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन और फर्स्ट सजेशन, रिपीट करने की हिम्मत है तो रुको, बट रिपीट करना मतलब अगेन गो द सेम ट्रॉमा ऑफ 1 year. सो दो उंगली में से एक उंगली पकड़ो, या तो दोबारा देना है या तो इस बार जो मिल रहा है वो लो. सो what was going in your mind at that time? So you filled the NMET form obviously before the CAT exam. So then what was going in your mind the moment you saw कि CAT में लग गई अभी, and ऐसा नहीं कि you have to wait for the result in January to know this thing. वो एग्जाम देते हुए पता चल जाता कि हो गया अपना आज जो भी होना था. So what was going in your mind and what was the tipping point that made you come back कि नहीं अभी मुझे वापस आना है?
Yes. So पहले तो I think one of the reasons people feel so dejected is because CAT बहुत hyped up है. तो it's like पूरा साल तो मेहनत कर रहे हो, it's only CAT and then you see that oh shit, it's not good. So you feel really dejected. That is what happened with me as well. ऐसा लगा कि what was the point? इतना पढ़ाई किया, इतना dedicate किया. So then I was like, I also gave NMAT. And over there I scored really well, but then I couldn't go to NMIMS because of the sectional cutoff of quants. So after that I had the opportunity of giving IBSAT, and I actually performed really well in IBSAT and was one of the top 500 students, and because of which I got the scholarship as well. So one thing I would like to say is that जब भी ऐसा लगे that you're really disappointed, be very sure कि if it is worth the wait, क्योंकि 1 year waiting is like उतना uncertainty, उतना you don't know what will happen next time, उतना होगा या नहीं. You see your friends clearing it, you see your friends getting jobs before you're even giving the exam. So I think I was very sure about that कि no, I will grab the opportunity that I have in my hand and I'll go for the best. So that is what I did, and I think it really worked in my favor. So I'm happy.
Correct. So IB said that this is one advantage because CAT level of difficulty is very high.
Yes.
NMET we have the sectional cutoff.
Right.
And then suddenly you hear about exam, there is no sectional cutoff, no negative marking.
Exactly.
So उन्होंने क्या किया, जो बाकी एग्जाम में बेकार था हमने सब हटा दिया. ठीक है भाई, अब तू खुश रहे, तू परफॉर्म कर बस. तो of course then obviously you have to perform better because if the paper is easy the cutoff goes high. So then this is a 140 mark का paper. The application forms are still open. तो in case you want to apply you can apply. So ठीक है, तो आपने यू सॉ द अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड यू टुक इट. देन आपने सीमेंट ही दिया, बॉम्बे का बच्चा सीईटी ना दे?
नहीं, बिकॉज I had that notion that before giving CET I want to give it all my best. Yes. And CET हमारे time it was uncertain.
अरे हाँ, ये बात 2 साल पहले का.
2 साल, yes. So ऐसा था, होगा नहीं होगा, कब होगा पता ही नहीं था.
कैट का बच्चा बात करता था कि कैसे पढूं, सीईटी का बच्चा बता एग्जाम होगा कि नहीं होगा, पहले तो ये बताओ कि क्या होगा सीईटी के साथ. सो या तो दैट्स व्हाई आई सेड केम एज अ गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी. ठीक है, नाउ यू जॉइन द कॉलेज. सो द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ हैविंग अ बिगर बैच साइज, because IBS have a bigger batch size, is that more companies come on campus.
Yes.
So you have better opportunities. More than the better opportunities, I feel that the kind of job you want, you can have it there.
Right.
Because
you have a lot of profiles
coming on.
Yes.
Exactly. That's what I wanted to say. So what improvement you had? Because everyone have to improve themselves.
Yes.
So what improvement you did, or how college helped you in that, so that you can land up in your profile, the dream profile you always wanted.
Yes. So one thing, we say that Mumbai is the city of dreams that never sleeps, and I am a core Mumbaikar at heart. So I always.
कहाँ से मुंबई में, कहाँ से?
Borivali.
Borivali.
So I had this dream कि जाना है तो media company में, glamour and all of that, and I really worked hard पहले से that I want to go here. Talking about IBS, I have a lot to talk about IBS. So there's so much for everyone to do here. There are like more than 25 clubs and committees that you can be a part of. And one thing that जितना भी तुम बुक से नहीं पढ़ पाओगे ना, it will all come through practical exposure, and which is what I gained. I'm even right now in the 2nd year, I'm a part of 4 clubs and committees. So I think that helped me a lot because real life situations you face कि इतना problem है, how will you come out, what will you do, leadership role, everything. And this is always something that adds to your CV because MBA तो सब कर रहे हैं. What are you doing more? जो तुम्हारे सीवी को ऐड कर रहा है, तुम्हारे पर्सनैलिटी को बिल्ड कर रहा है. सो दैट इज वन थिंग. Apart from that, we have everything that you need. We have aptitude lab, we have a language lab, we have mentors who will always guide you. We have the faculty from placement that will help you before every placement session. We have different sessions for particular companies as well. उनका देखिए, they connect us to alumni who are placed there. We can talk to them. तो वैसे we can understand कि better कैसे कर पाओगे. There's so much. The faculty is also very helpful. We have fests. It's like all study no play makes Jilla dull girl वैसा. तो यहाँ पे स्टडी किया है बट प्ले भी उतना किया ही है. मतलब I am a 9.6 CGPA scorer, but yet I'm a part of 4 clubs and committees. So I think that is what even the interviewers were interested in. कि आपने balance कैसे किया? How do you do it? So it's like there's everything for everyone. I've seen my friends who were really introverts पहले and now they are at leadership positions and they actually talk so confidently and I feel so proud when I see that. So yes, there's a lot for everyone over here.
Yeah, the first time I heard this line that the interview lab, right? What you said?
Aptitude
lab and then
language lab.
Language lab.
Yes.
Because when a student joined, a lot of people are bad in communication. Like I was very weak in English, to be very frank. When I joined the college, अमृतसर से हूँ मैं पीछे से. I never ever talked in English. तो वो तो अभी भी होता है. When I land in अमृतसर ना तो मुंह से वो कनाडा ही निकलता है, कनाडा, अमेरिका. तो द लैंग्वेज चेंजेस ऑटोमेटिकली, यू डोंट नीड टू स्विच इट ऑन. वो तो यहाँ पे आके थोड़ा कोड वोड डाल के दिखाना पड़ता है. तो अंदर से हम बेसिकली पंजाबी हैं. तो या सो that language lab is basically helping you improve your comm skills, right?
Yes, yes.
So and because this is something which everyone have to go through. So language lab हो गया and FT is not going to end. So if you think the maths verbal will end once you join the college, नहीं. Because यहाँ पे lot of companies, not most but yeah, almost half of the company coming on campus is going to take a test again.
Yes.
So like again maths verbal logic is going to be with you.
सब कुछ जो GDs वगैरह सब दिया था हमने, all of that is there. And GD के लिए also we have sessions. We have soft skills as well as a part of the curriculum, जहाँ पे पूरा scratch से लेके they improve you. And it has helped me a lot personally.
Correct,
So yes.
correct. So great, yeah. So thank you very much and for coming talking to us.
Thank you so much.